give you a short introduction to some of the new functionality that we've added that allows you to configure how your public page looks to visitors to your site. So this is just an example account we have here. This is their public page. They've got a collection of buttons, events, calendar bookings, membership, merchandise, notices. They've got some background images here. If you scroll down, there's some things set up. What we've added now is the ability to go in under settings. You now have a new set of options here on the left. You see them called display settings, where you can change how your public page looks. So if we click on welcome page, this is the landing page that people see. You can change a variety of things. For example, you can change the text. Welcome to Arrows Equestrian Center. What you'll see here is this is a preview of what your site looks like. So you'll see immediately that your site has been updated with the text that you wish to see. And if I go back to the actual page and hit refresh, you'll see it now says welcome to Arrows Equestrian Center. You can also do other things. You can change the text that gets displayed underneath that message. I'm not going to do that now, but again, you edit that, and as soon as you change it, it'll automatically be reflected in your public page. Again, you'll see there's a particular background image there. If you want to change that, you click the edit button and you get this drag and drop area. And I actually have a background image here. This one here, I'm going to drag it in and I'm going to drop it there. It uploads to our server. When it's uploaded, I'm going to click the checkbox here to save that change. And now you'll see that our web page has automatically been modified. This particular web page, should I say, has automatically been modified with that new background image. If I go out here and hit reload, it's now displayed. Also, okay, we've got a small little simple logo there, but that's not the logo of our organization. Again, you can edit your logo and update the proper one. Again, click edit on the field, drag and drop. When the file has been uploaded, you click the checkbox, and now you'll see that the logo over here has changed to reflect that. If we then go to, you can also, if you have a Facebook link, which we happen to have in this case, if you edit this and put in the web address of your Facebook account and click save, what you end up with is a small little link here on the right, or on the bottom left, should I say. And if I go to that and hit reload, you see now our Facebook. And again, if you click on that, it brings people to your Facebook account if you have one. So that's just a quick introduction on how to use the display settings. There's a lot of other capabilities here as well. So for example, you will see that these buttons, events, membership, notices, calendar, merchandise, you can configure each of those sections individually. So and you can configure the name of the button and the text that appears on the right hand side. So for example, if I go to calendar section, which is calendar bookings, and let's say, well, that's the general name that it has, but you can change that to, you can change the button text to arena bookings, and then so if I go back to that page now, you'll see it says arena bookings here on the button. You can also change text. So select from here, click here to book one of our arenas. I save that, and if I go back to the home page and hit reload, you'll see click here to book one of our arenas. Similarly, if you look at the actual section itself, when they click on it, there's a title and a description underneath. You can also edit that title. So in this case, I'm going to change it to arena bookings, as you see, and click the list below, book one of our arenas by selecting from the list below. As with the other case, you can also change the background image by clicking edit and dropping a new image in, which we're not going to do for the moment. So that's just a quick introduction to some of the new functionality that we've delivered, where you can configure how your public website looks.